Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French teacher. This week, again, one episode per day. Cette semaine, encore une fois, un épisode par jour. Cette semaine, nous allons apprendre des verbes. This week, we're going to learn new verbs. Last year, I already published an episode. This was the first episode of the bootcamp with using the verbs to be, to have, to do, and to go. I will put the link in the website so you can find it. But this week we're going to learn other verbs, but are just as common. L'année dernière, j'ai fait un épisode, le premier épisode du bootcamp avec les verbes être, avoir, faire et aller. Cette année, nous allons apprendre d'autres verbes qui sont très communs. As usual, you have the free transcript. You don't need to sign up. You don't need a credit card. It's on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. I know a lot of you are maybe working out or maybe on the train, on the car. So feel free to check it out when you have a minute to really help you with the expressions and the spelling. Alors ça va? Vous êtes prêts? C'est un épisode plus court que d'habitude. It's a shorter episode than usual. I got a few emails asking me if we could do shorter episodes so you can review more. So this week, all the episodes will be shorter. Alors, on commence tout de suite et c'est le verbe passer. Passer en français. Passer is a very common verb that has a lot of different meanings. The good news too is passer is a regular verb. It means that the endings of the verb follow a regular and predictable pattern. We're going to start with some sentences and some expressions so you can understand right away. Vous êtes prêts? Allez, c'est parti! Je passe chez toi ce soir. Je passe chez toi ce soir. I've done it on purpose with a lot of s and sh sound. Je passe chez toi ce soir. In this case, it means I am stopping by your house tonight. Passer means to stop by in that expression when you're going to stop by somewhere or at someone's house. Tu me passes tes notes? Tu me passes tes notes? Can you hand me out your notes? Tu me passes tes notes? Passer almost also means to hand out, to pass something to someone. Il passe un mauvais moment. Il passe un mauvais moment. He's having a hard time or he's having a bad time. Passer un mauvais moment. Passer un mauvais moment. Elle passe ses vacances en Italie. Elle passe ses vacances en Italie. She's spending her vacations in Italy. To spend time in French, it's passer and then the expression of time. So it could be passer un mois if you're going to spend a month, passer une heure if you're going to spend an hour. So whenever. Donc, passer veut aussi dire to spend time. Nous passons par le jardin. Nous passons par le jardin. Passer par means to go through. Nous passons par le jardin. We're going through the garden. Nous passons par le jardin. Passer par, to go through. Vous passez le week-end à la plage? Vous passez le week-end à la plage? You're spending the weekend at the beach. As I said, to spend plus a duration means to spend time somewhere. Il passe devant l'immeuble. Il passe devant l'immeuble. They're passing by the building. Passer devant, passer derrière is to pass by. Here, they're passing in front of. It could be to pass behind. And then there is another very important expression that you need and you absolutely have to know. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Or you can say, il se passe quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? Il se passe quoi means the same thing. What's going on? What's happening? Donc, je répète, je passe, tu passes, il passe, elle passe, nous passons, vous passez, il, elle passe. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Here you go, it's the end of this episode. I'm not sure it's much shorter. I'm really trying, but I love giving you explanations so you can have a better understanding and a better grasp of the French language. I hope that you enjoy the bootcamp, so please feel free to leave a comment, stars. You can do it in the app, whatever app you're using, Spotify, Amazon, Apple Podcasts, please feel free to share and comment. Alors, à demain. I'm going to have a new episode tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to work with the verb devoir. Devoir, which means to have to or to owe something. Merci, à demain.